In this video, I'm going to show you how to host website using Vercel. So firstly, open up GitHub. So go to GitHub. Okay, once you're on your GitHub account here, so what we're going to do, we're going to create a new repository. So I'll click on new. Okay, we're going to upload the files to GitHub first. So click on it, click on the new option here, and then give a name to your repository. Okay, so for example, I'll just do that, and then you can just select your preferences here, and then once that's done you can click on this create repository. So I'm going to create the repository. So once I have created the repository, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add files to this. Okay, so we're going to upload your file here, so you can click on upload existing file, and then just you can drag and drop and upload your files here. So you can go to your website files, so just choose your website files and then you can just drag and drop it here. Okay, and once you have uploaded these files here, click on commit changes, and then these files will now be uploaded. Okay, so once that's done, next go to Vercel and log into your Vercel account. Okay, once you have logged into your Vercel account here, so what we're going to do next is you're going to click on this add new option here. So click on the add new option and then select project. Okay, so select project, and then when you select project here, it's going to ask you all the repository that you have created here. It will pop up here, so you're going to simply select the one that you want to use. So this is the one that I just created. Okay, so I'm going to click on import on that one. So click on import, and then this will now import the files from the project that you just created, and then all you have to do now is hit on deploy. So when you click on deploy, once the deploy process is done, it will give you a live link to your website, and basically that's pretty much it is.